Bluetooth. This universal, invisible technology expands your entertainment options by wirelessly connecting a compatible soundbar, speakers or stereo components to your TV. 64.5 screen large enough to provide an immersive experience for everyone in the room. 4K UHD delivers more than 4x the resolution of a regular 1080p high-definition screen. Along with over 8 million pixels, inside you'll find a powerful LED backlight at work, creating a sharper, more colorful picture. Watch high dynamic range HDR content on your TV. With an HDR-compatible 4K TV, you can enjoy HDR movies and TV shows, in addition to all your current content. Android TV stream more than 500,000 shows, movies, live sports and news from popular channels. Or gather around to watch the hottest videos from YouTube or 1,000+ Chromecast-capable apps. Google Assistant turns your TV into the ultimate conversation piece. Check your calendar and the kiddo's bedroom. Discover and play your favorite songs or shows. Or get answers about weather, traffic, sports scores, and that show you're watching. LED TVs perform well in all lighting conditions. They also deliver plasma-like deep blacks and rich colors. 120 motion rate. Enjoy fast-moving movies, sports and video games with a minimum of motion blur. DTS Studio Sound. Enjoy full and rich sound by DTS Studio Sound audio technology, creating a virtual surround sound for a crisp and immersive audio experience. 3 HDMI inputs for the best home theater connection. High-speed HDMI delivers picture and digital surround sound in one convenient cable. HDMI cable not included. One USB input. Easily connect your digital camera, camcorder or other USB device. Web-based services and content require high-speed internet service. Some services may require a subscription. Click the link below for more info and limited 35% discount offer.